Hi, hope you're all doing fine. For all the aspirants who are preparing for NEET MDS 2019, of late I've been getting several mails asking me how to start preparation and when to start preparation. So this is for you. Now is the right time to start your preparation. It's never too late. You still have another 9 to 10 months solid time, which is ample enough to complete your prep. And most importantly, how to start preparation. So you need to start scheduling your preparation on weekly basis, monthly basis and quarterly basis. You can use our schedules, and also two major challenges which we face in this process is starting our preparation. Starting is always tough and difficult, but once you start, you'll have some kind of momentum happening and you will proceed at an optimal pace. It's all about matter of perception. If you think you can, you will. If you think you can't, you will never. So it's all a matter of perception. Keep that in mind. And now is the right time to start your preparation. And regarding schedules, we have another challenge here. Writing down schedules is one side of the coin, but following them is the other side of the coin. So to overcome all the drawbacks, we have created retrograde schedules which you can use up in order to enhance your preparation. You can assess your preparation day-to-day basis, weekly basis and monthly basis, and you can improvise your preparation as time progresses, right? So use up these schedules. We have created them and you can download them for free from our Google group, and definitely you can use them to enhance your preparation. Remember, it's all about perception, as I mentioned previously. Believe that you can and you will definitely. Believe you can't and you will never. That's very, very important. So try to start your preparation now. Step on the pedal, give your best. It's all about hard work, consistency and self-belief. These three factors will play a crucial role in enhancing your preparation, which will ultimately lead to success, and you will definitely reach the top of the world. Wish you all the best. Love you all.